In this video, you're going to learn how to find a missing data value given the mean, or the average. It says that the inauguration age of 6 presidents is listed in the table. One is covered. If the mean age of these 6 presidents was 52.83, what was the age of the missing president? So how do we go about doing this? Well, the first step would be to set up an equation where we're adding up all of the values of these ages. And not only that, but we're going to include a variable for the missing president. So you can see here we have Fillmore, age 50, Pierce at 48, Buchanan. So we're including all these ages in an addition sentence, along with the unknown value of the missing president. But not only that, since we're given the mean, what we're going to do is divide that sum by how many data values there are, which is 6 total presidents, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then we have to show that after all that division and addition is done, we have to show that the mean age was 52.83, and that was given in the passage. We were told that the mean age was 52.83. All right. So that's step one, just setting all of that up. So let's move on to step 2. Okay, there's that numerical expression. Now here's what we did. I just added all these values up, the 50, the 48, 65, and so on. And I end up with 261 as the sum there. I still have the unknown value here as well for that unknown president, A. Okay, and of course we're still going to divide by 6 to show that we're calculating a mean of 52.83. So the next step is that we are going to undo this division. Now what I want you guys to do is to consider the fact that we have an equation and there's 2 sides to the equation. All right, we have the left side over here, and that includes a variable as well, and the right side, which does not include a variable. Okay, so what we're going to do is focus on what's on the left side so that we can get to the value of that variable. And when I say focus, what I mean is what we're going to do is undo division. We're going to reverse this out by multiplying on the other side. Okay, so here I've set it up where I've eliminated the division on that side simply by multiplying on the right side of the equation. So we do that multiplication. So 52.83 times 6 is 31.98. That's where I got that value. Okay. So now we have a new equation, 261 plus A equals 31, or 316.98. And again, since I've said that we want to reverse operations on the variable side, what I want to do is sort of undo this positive 261 over here. I'm going to undo that. Okay, and the way I'm going to do that is by subtracting it on the other side. I'm going to subtract it from that 316.98. Okay, and notice I do have the variable isolated. It's by itself, and so when I do the subtraction, I'm going to know the age of that president at this point. Okay, so I do that subtraction, and what I end up getting is 55.98. which we're going to round to 56 for the purposes of this exercise. And let's go into the table and see if we were correct. We were. That president was Lyndon B. Johnson. He was 56 years old when he was inaugurated.